Hello everybody and welcome. Today we've got an unboxing. Yeah, I will tell you that the unboxing here is for the Rivian. Alright, without further ado, let's get it done here. Pull off the end here, it looks like. Alright. See what this bad boy is. I will tell you before I show you that I did buy it from Amazon and it is for the Rivian. Well, there it is. Yeah, as you might have guessed, it's a set of floor mats for the Rivian. On my recent trip to Wyoming, I discovered real quick that the internal mats that come with the Rivian are fine. They look awesome, but they don't do real well in all the dirt. And my trip to Wyoming, as you saw in my videos, that it needed to be better than the existing mats. All the dirt and stuff that came off of the mats ended up in the carpet. So I did some searching. I hope to have chosen correctly. These mats do seem pretty nice. I will link the choice down in the description. And I will tell you, upon inspection, they're pretty nice. I would say they're probably 60 thousandths of an inch or about a 16th of an inch thick. They are rubber. They don't smell, so that's a big thing. Anytime you buy mats for a vehicle and when they start outgassing, they stink up the whole car for months. These were purported to be non-smelling, and I do concur. All right, well, let's get to it. We're wasting time. Let's get them in the Rivian and see if they fit. I'm currently charging the Rivian for my next video. Here's what the existing mats look like. Get my shadow out of the way. They click down. They are, well, let's see. Yeah, they're kind of a cocoa mat. For lack of a better term. I know that's an old term. However, it does look like they are pretty nice looking, but we're looking to catch more dirt and junk. Let's remove the driver mat. See if this fits in here. Well, it seems to fit pretty good. Fits over the buttons, however, it does not click into the buttons, but it does fit very snugly here. I try to move it, it doesn't want to move. Let's see how this thing works now. It seems to be in there pretty solid. As you can see, the dead pedal is covered. You always have your foot there, of course. I don't know, it seems to be okay. At this point in time, I'm going to give it a plus. I did choose it, however, as you can see here, that it does not go over the sill. A lot of them come up over the sill and cover up the Rivian logo, and I didn't want that because I didn't want anything past this lip here. So we'll see how this works. You know, it's all subjective. You know, it does fit pretty well like the other one. Doesn't seem to move once it's in the hole. and that's between the sill here and down. Looks like I need to move it up a little. That's a little better. Yeah, I think it's pretty nice. But like I said, time will tell. Let's get the second row mat in. Let's go around the other side there. This is the second row. It did come folded in the middle, and they recommend you leave it out in the sun, but due to its rubber nature, it seems to have flattened right out. All right, let's see if I can get this in one-handed. All right, gotta go to the other side. Well, that's it. Fits pretty darn good. Looks good. Yeah, it doesn't fit so bad. Seems like a nice even fit. I will say that this end is curled up here, but maybe that was because of the packing. So I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt here and let it relax now that it's out of its box. Let's do an inspection. Yeah, I would bet these are tweaked a little bit. I think they'll probably go back to normal. Here's what the mat looks like. Pretty decent fit, all in all. Let's have a look at the other side. Yeah, other than this little end right here, which I hope will relax after its trip in the box, it seems to fit just right. All right, let's have a look at the front. Here's the front passenger seat. I don't know, I'd say that fits pretty darn well. You can see it from this angle. Let's look at the driver's seat. This is the driver's seat. Don't mind the dirt. I was in Wyoming. Hey, it looks like it fits pretty well. Well, so far so good. Time will tell. We'll see how this works in practice. If you wonder what that noise was, that's power being generated. I've got two 10,000 watt inverters. That's the first one. There's the second one. Almost 15,000 watts of free energy coming in via the sun. It looks like my choice of floor mats was a good one. There's no smell. They fit well and they look good. Time will tell how they wear, and we'll see how that goes. If you like today's video, give me a like. Please pass it on to your friends. And if you or someone else you know is buying a Tesla, the referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen will get them a discount and a bunch of points to be used in the Tesla store. I really appreciate it if you would use it. And if you're not buying a Tesla, feel free to pass it on to one of your friends that is going to, as it'll save them money. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the next video, and take care.